Hello, Jimmers. It's me, Lulu the Cat. I'm using my backup account because I don't want to be bothered by people, because they're going to ask me to record a video of them or something like that, of them doing stuff, so, yeah. So, this is a story of Cuphead31. I don't know if you heard them before, but they hacked babyus a long time ago, when they had membership. So, if you don't know who babyus is, it's, Wolfeisasavageartist, or known as Wolfeisasavageartist. You can call them whichever because they don't really care. Yeah, and babyus left membership like 2 months ago, I think. April something. So they told me to make this story, so you should give credit for them. I'm telling the real tale of Cuphead31. Let's begin. One fine day, babyus went to go to Mount Shivir to go hop on the ice as usual, but she saw her backup account, Cuphead31. She remembered that she made a code video of Cuphead31. Now, she got very worried. She friend requested them. They accepted. She got very nervous now. She got very scared that she thought that someone known her password, or even known Cuphead. So Cuphead31 had the same password as her account. So she said, why are you on my backup account that I redeemed codes on? Cuphead31 didn't reply. They were jumping on the ice. They were a gray wolf time then, but a few minutes later they stopped jumping on the ice. They stared at babyus, then their look changed. Black, white, and red. F-Man. They looked like F-Man. She freaked out. She told her friend Rights for Non-Members that someone hacked her account, but her friend Rights for Non-Members replied, I can't help you right now. I'm doing a giveaway with people. So she asked her other friend, Ruby, I think 14, with a couple of R's, no U's, and they said, I will help you. Then Cuphead31 went to babyus's den. Babyus's character froze, couldn't move at all. Ruby went to the den. She saw babyus standing frozen, her character not moving 1 inch at all. Her Arctic wolf was standing, very still, not moving at all. Then Ruby said, are you okay? Babyus couldn't move. She could only type. That's what she could only do. She could go to her message box. She could decorate her character. She can change her animal. She can do anything except for move or go to a land or go to the settings or press log out. That's the only thing she couldn't do. She couldn't click her buddies list. Only go to the messages and click the buddies that she could find. Everyone was offline except for Rights for Non-Members and Ruby 14. So she was very worried. She thought those were the only friends that could help her, but it wasn't true. Ruby got frozen too. She wasn't moving at all. Now babyus was very worried. The next day later, babyus's screen was still frozen. So she decided to close her laptop, restart the whole entire thing, and go back on Animal Jam. She fixed the glitch though. The next day, Cuphead didn't leave her den for 24 hours. Until the next day, he was gone. He was offline. After that, he went back online. Babyus freaked out. locked her den, but he still came anyways, because she was still friends with Cuphead31. So she invited her. I think him or her. Then clicked locked in. They didn't leave though. They were still there. So she got very nervous now. She went to Jamaa, looked at other people and screamed help. But they didn't want to help her because they were ignoring her. They were asking to trade. All they wanted to do was trade. She got a trade request for her spiked collar, but she declined him because it was a necklace for spiked collar. But she realized that there is no character. When you get the trade request, you usually see a character on the side. But she didn't see any character. But she saw their username. It was blurred out though. It was glitching. It said Cuphead3111. It kept glitching until she finally saw their character. But their character was glitching and lagging. And the background, instead of green and brown that they're standing on, were all red and all bloody. There was dark red, there was red all over it. She tried to record a video, but she couldn't because her laptop was really bad and glitching. So, the next day she logged on Animal Jam. So she bought a new gen, which was the Greeley den. And after that, Cuphead and a few more people that looked like him came to her den. They were all named Cuphead, but with different numbers. Cuphead 40, 43, Cuphead 42, and Cuphead 32. So they were all surrounding babyus. They were talking with each other. So they were saying stuff. They were saying this all together. Hi, we've come to hack your account. But it didn't say hack. It's HACK. They all said together. But it was all space. One by one letter. Then babyus got a logout screen. You were gone for too long. She freaked out. She logged back on. Her character was black, white, red. X eyes instead of evil looking ones. She freaked out. Every item she has was all black and glitchy. Static all over it. She refreshed her page, but didn't get back into her account. She was on the screen with the characters, the alphas. The alphas were gone. There was only one. Greeley, but it didn't look like Greeley. No cape, no tail, armor, nothing on Greeley. It looked like Cuphead31. There was a username. Okay, sorry about the pause. My dad opened my door by accident because he wanted to ask me a question because he wanted to use the laptop because we share one. Because that's why you heard the door open. So as I was saying, there was a username, Cuphead31, but it was on the top instead of the bottom. When she logged back on, everything was so different. It looked like it was realistic, but she saw the jammers. They were all like Cuphead31. She was so scared she didn't know what to do. So, for a period of time, she quit AJ. She played Play Wild for a couple of days. So she came back to the game. Then, She searched Cuphead31 one more last time. He was off for 30 days. He was permanently banned, but you could still see his username. And babyus was glad that he was banned. Hopefully all his teammates were banned forever. So that was the story of Cuphead31. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that story. I really tried my best. And my phone died because I was trying to play the music, but eventually my phone just died. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.